sabi ng doktor na you have to be sent to emergency, like urgently. So, nung sinabi yun ng doktor, guys, you got no idea, parang bumagsak yung mundo sa amin ni Daddy Mike.
Really cute.
Have a look, Paris is doing some art early in the morning. Say good morning.
I'm making Joy something.
Oh, you're making Tita Joy something.
Yeah, I'm making a cute picture for her.
Oh, do you love her?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, that's good. How about the other Tita and Titos?
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow! What's going on?
He cries like that.
What's going on? Say good morning to your nak, Tita and Tita nak.
Good morning.
Say, Happy Australia Day! Say happy?
Happy Australian Day.
Yay! Well done. Are you Filipino or Australian?
Australian.
Australian!
Are you Filipino?
Me?
Yeah.
How about Celine?
Celine, Australian.
Australian?
Yeah,
How about Daddy?
that's Australian.
So it's just me? Only me Filipina?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning.
Daddy, are you Filipino?
I'm Australian like you and Celine.
Nah.
So it's only Mommy?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Alright then. Alright then. Where are we going now, honey girl?
The show's on this side.
We're going to the dinosaurs.
We're going to the
We're gonna
dinosaurs
have
with Tito.
breakfast pa man.
We're going to the dinosaurs.
We'll
with
eat
Tito,
breakfast
Tita,
first.
And cousins.
Hindi ko muna pakita yung sarili ko, guys. So, itong dalawa ay ayan, nakabihis na. Actually, we're gonna go outside now for breakfast. Tingnan nyo, it's raining.
Paris have band-aids.
Raining. It's pouring. Diba? So, dapat sana today, guys, ay pupunta kami ng beach kasama yung mga mapinsan ko, yung tita ko. Yun yung plano namin last night. But then, kasi nga umuulan, so we changed plans.
Put in documents.
What documents?
The receipts and stuff.
Oh yeah, I got it somewhere. Look at this. Documents! Important paperwork.
Documented.
So, naiba yung plano natin, guys. So, I'll just go later daw. Pupunta daw kami ng, ng museum. Tapos, yeah, somewhere else. We'll go for a drive somewhere else. Kung may time pa kami mamayang hapon. But for now, kakain muna kami sa labas.
Do you know where Daddy...
You ready?
Do you remember which bag Daddy put his sunscreen in? His coconut sunscreen?
No. Get my glasses. Are you ready, Celine?
Glasses.
You ready, Celine? Are you a good girl? Are you my good girl, Celine?
Celine, right? How are you? Looks like a table for us. Yes.
How would you like to order, Paris?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? I'll have hot chocolate too.
I do have hot chocolate.
Paris can have kids toast. Would you like that, honey? Honey, would you like kids toast? Kids toast?
What do you say? What do you say mine?
Or banana bread.
toast or banana bread. Up to you.
Banana bread.
Wow. Did you brush your teeth this morning with Daddy?
Yeah.
Wow. Smile me. Oh, so beautiful. It's very white.
What are you thinking, mommy?
Yeah, I have hot chocolate too.
Passing by the river, I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Paris and her banana bread. We also have this
Some fresh fruit.
fresh fruit. Yummy. Go, wait. Bon appetit, Paris. They're having a race. Who's gonna win? Go, Paris. Celine, say, go Ate Paris. Go Ate Paris. Go, go Ate Paris. Daddy, show me yours.
I think I'm winning.
Yours? Show me Ate. Oh, she's nearly there. Daddy, I think she's gonna win. I think Paris is gonna win, Daddy. Oh no. Oh, Daddy! Ah,
Daddy.
she's done. Daddy.
Paris the
Good
champion.
job. Such a winner.
My tongue's getting a loop. My tongue's getting. Look, see?
Yeah.
It's squishy.
2 days later.
So it's now 2 days after that vlog, guys. After ng masayang moment na yon, may mga hindi kaaya-ayang pangyayari na naganap sa amin. So yeah, it's 2 days later kasi ngayon lang ako naglakas loob na humarap ulit sa camera para mag-share sa inyo. Hanggang ngayon nga guys, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na nangyari yun sa amin. So, after nung brunch namin, so nakita niyo naman kung gaano kasaya si Paris and all, right? But then, she started to complain about her tummy. So, kasi alam namin guys, tong batang to, hindi talaga siya iyakin. Alam nyo naman, nakasubabay kayo sa mga vlogs namin. She's very happy, chirpy baby. And she doesn't cry for nothing. So, nung hapon na yon, habang naglakad-lakad kami sa city, kasi nga yung plano is magkita-kita kami ng family ko dito. Pumunta kami ng parents' room. And then since then, hindi na siya tumigil sa pag-iyak. Like, she's saying that her tummy was hurting. Was your tummy hurting, no?
Cause
Yeah?
my tummy is hard.
Hard? Yeah, sure, Tita and Tito. Whereabouts was hurting? Here? Here? Okay. Alright. So, yun na nga, guys. So, luckily, kasi nung araw na yun, it was Australia Day. So, closed mostly yung mga shops. But then, may isang...
And we just opening presents.
Yeah, opening presents. Nag-search kami kung saan merong doktor na malapit. And then, luckily, merong isa dito talaga sa city. Na dyan talaga, banda sa, in the middle of the city talaga. So, we went in straight away. Still, hindi tumigil sa pag-iyak sa Ate Paris natin. And then, nung pumasok kami doon, kinausap kami ng doktor. Obviously, pinahiga niya si Paris kasi Paris is complaining about her tummy. And then, nung hinawakan ng doktor yung tiyan niya, guys, meron daw lump. So, nung sinabi ng doktor na, kasi nakakatakot din yung doktor, guys, yung pagkasabi niya na there's a lump in her tummy. He said he can't explain what it is. So, and then, noon, si Paris parang ayaw niyang mag-bend na ganun, parang pag kinakarry namin siya, kailangan namin siyang i-carry ng ganyan para hindi matouch yung kanyang tummy kasi sobrang sakit nga daw. Yes, anak?
I'm just confused.
Thank you, my love. Sabi ng doktor na you have to be sent to emergency, like urgently. So, nung sinabi yun ng doktor, guys, you got no idea, parang bumagsak yung mundo sa amin ni Daddy Mike na parang naging bato. Hindi ako umiyak. Kasi alam niyo yun, kapag minsan na-shock ka, hindi mo talaga expected, and then
And my song,
hindi talaga
and my
magandang
favorite
balita.
song is
Yung marinig mo from the doctor. Parang nag-blank ako, guys. Naging speechless kami ni Daddy Mike kasi parang ewan ko, wala kaming, parang ayaw naming isipin na it's the worst, na may parang problema talaga. But then the reality was kailangan na talaga namin pumunta ng hospital kasi hindi namin napansin yun, guys, pero meron talagang pinahawakan ng doktor kay Daddy Mike yung tiyan ni Ate Paris natin. Meron talaga siyang lump. Straight away, ginawa niya kami ng referral papunta sa Children's Hospital dito sa Brisbane. And luckily, hindi siya malayo dito sa city. Like, 9 minutes drive lang. So, straight away, kasi nga wala pa yun yung sasakyan namin dito, guys. Nasa city kami, we caught an Uber papuntang ospital. Pasok kami ng emergency, and the whole time sa sasakyan, Paris was crying. And pagkapasok namin doon, unfortunately, sabi ng isang nurse nila na only one parent lang ang makakapasok doon, ang makakasama sa loob. So, Mike has to go with Paris kasi kung ako, si Celine ay kailangang ipadede, diba? So, Celine needs me more than Daddy Mike in that part. So, si Daddy Mike yung sumama kay Ate Paris sa loob. And then kami ni Baby Celine, naiwan kami sa labas. Crying. Me crying. I was crying. Was walking around kasi hindi kami makapasok. And iyak lang ako ng iyak, guys. Kasi parang unti-unti siyang nagsisink in na nandito kami sa emergency ngayon. Ano yung mangyayari sa anak ko? What's the lump in Paris' tummy? And tinawagan ako ni Daddy Mike na very quickly. Sabi niya, you have to go home kasi hindi nila alam kung ano yung mangyayari pa. They have to do more procedures to her. So, ultrasound and blood test. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, since it was already afternoon nung nakarating kami doon 2 o'clock, and sabi niya, we don't know if we're going to get the results straight away kasi hapon na. So, he said, can you just you and Celine go home and I'll just update you. So, I had a pram then, and alam niyo naman, mahihirapan ako kapag nag-Uber ako with a pram. So, I message my cousins. Sabi ko, anyone available to help, pick us up? Nasa emergency kami, ganito, ganyan. So, I told them the story. And then, luckily, Joanne and her boyfriend and Anthony, nag-drive sila papunta doon, guys, because they were in the area naman. So, madali silang nakarating doon. Umalis din sila kaagad-agad. So, ako dito, kami ni Baby Celine, I was just crying the whole time. Like, hindi ko maipaliwanag, guys, yung nararamdaman ko. Kasi the whole time, iniisip ko kung ano nang mangyayari sa anak ko. And Daddy Mike and Paris stayed in the hospital that night. So, Baby Celine and I, dito kami, nag-update lang si Daddy Mike sa akin ng pag nagka-chance siya ng ganun. Nung pag-ring ng phone ko, alam kong si Daddy Mike yung tumawag, like, oh my God, parang hindi ko alam kung ano yung feelings ko, guys, kasi it's going to be a news about Paris, and if ever it's really, really bad, I don't know, I'm seriously gonna collapse, and I'm worried as well kasi nandito si Baby Celine. So, Daddy Mike said they got the result from the ultrasound. And what happened was, Paris's bladder was actually blocked by her poo. So, she had a severe constipation. And sabi ni Daddy Mike, they had to do like a procedure on her. Like, they have to like flush her tummy out para mailabas yung nasa loob ng kanyang tiyan. And Daddy Mike said, you got no idea how much I cried pag sabi ng doktor na it's bad, but there's one good thing.
I wanna open her first now.
Okay. You open and show it to mommy. Kasi it's bad kasi nga obviously we don't want it to happen, but then it's good kasi treatable siya, guys. Sabi ng doktor kay Daddy Mike that time na I thought the first time you came in, I thought that it was like a tumor. Nung sinabi ni Daddy Mike sa akin na kailangan nilang lagyan ng catheter si Paris, kailangan lagyan ng drips, yung dextrose ba, para maintain pa rin yung hydration niya kasi binigyan siya ng something na makakapag-soften ng kanyang pupo ba para mailabas niya. Tapos nilagyan pa siya ng nilagyan pa siya ng tube dito sa ilong kasi dun nila pinapasok yung mga medications para sa kanya. And before they have to do that, they have to give her the gas para maging drowsy siya at makatulog siya para magawa nila yung procedure. So, nung pagkalabas ng doktor, tinawagan ako ni Daddy Mike very quickly, like video call with her. And sobrang iyak ko, guys. Like, grabe, namumugto na yung mata ko. And then, sabi ni Paris sa akin, why are you crying, mommy? Don't be silly, mommy. Ganun siya, guys. Even though hawak niya yung yung parang gas ba sa kanyang bibig. And then Daddy Mike said we have to go kasi papasok na yung doktor. Hintayin na lang ako ng update kasi wala naman ako magawa dito. Yung ginawa ko lang talaga is nilabas ko yung aking yung crucifix, yung Bible, yung prayer of manawag, and I prayed and prayed and prayed na sana iligtas ni God si Ate Paris natin. The procedure was finished. So, minove na daw sila sa bed. So, wala na sila sa emergency. So, then, hinihintay na lang na mag-flush parang mailabas ni Ate Paris lahat yung nasa tummy niya. But continue yung drips niya kasi, to keep her hydrated. Kasi nga, sa dami ng mailalabas niya, because sa binigay nila sa kanya, she needs the help, like the electrolytes. Yun ba yun? The next day, I went there. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, sa pagka-umaga, sabi ni Daddy Mike na pwede daw kaming makabisita ni Baby Celine from 7 a.m. onwards. And then, pagpunta ko doon, sabi ni Daddy Mike na she had like the biggest poo ever. And sobrang dami talaga daw lumabas, guys. Sabi nila, yung bukol pala, yung lump pala dito sa tiyan ni Ate Paris, yeah, that was actually her pee na hindi makalabas kasi na-block ng kanyang poo yung bladder. So, yesterday, I stayed there the whole day. Like, nung pagkapasok ko, sabi ni Daddy Mike sa akin na put on a brave face. Like, don't be too emotional, wag kang iiyak. Kasi, para hindi ma-feel ni Ate Paris na natatakot ako or ganun. So, pagkapasok ko doon, I was like very happy, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, hi Ate Paris. This, ganito, ganyan. Like, very chirpy lang talaga para maengganyo din yung feeling niya na, hindi natatakot si mama or I'm fine pala. Ganun. So, she cried when I went inside the room talaga. That's probably because, like, obviously, na-trauma din siya sa nangyari the night before. So, and that was the first time na nakita niya ako kasi dito nga kami ni Baby Celine umuwi sa hotel. Since then, pagdating namin doon, she actually got better. Like, she became happier. And because she released a lot, she was feeling better. She had food. She had drinks while we were there. She started feeling chirpy, like she was playing with Celine. Kasi alam niyo naman na she's very happy when Celine makes that noise, like yung tumatawa talaga si Baby Celine. What have you got there, Paris? Moose? Mm-hmm. Jeez, what else? What's this one? Do you know? Do you know?
And rice, broccoli,
Who's watching?
pumpkin.
Thanks God, she just went up. You know what I mean? Like, hindi, pumasok yung doktor, kinausap nila kami, and sabi ng doktor na, oh wow, you know, like, it's a different Paris that we can see. Kasi, obviously, the night before, she was not well. But then, that time, nung pumasok yung doktor, nakita nila si Paris na parang naging, bumalik yung sigla ni Ate Paris. So, sabi nila na everything looks fine kasi bumalik na daw yung resulta din ng blood test and, you know, thyroid and what else yung chinek nila. So far, everything was good daw. So, the issue was that lang talaga yung blockage. So, now, you know, we learned it the hard way. Mike and I were both guilty about it. So last night, we were very happy kasi sabi ng doktor na she can go home. If she drinks water and all that, she looks well and she's, you know, they don't need to keep her in the hospital. So we went home last night. Thanks God. Last night, nung pagka-uwi namin dito guys, bumalik talaga siya like into, you know, like 100% na naman. Like, I thought she's going to be like sickly and all because she's tired, but not. She was like, you know, acting like she was a doctor. Just very happy to be home, actually.
I'm a doctor. Okay, yes. Me too, Jim.
Danielle, congratulations. You are a Grand Slam finalist. It has a pretty good ring to it. How much does this mean to you to start off like this? And your first Grand Slam?
Yes. I'm just fixing mommy. It's me. But he's feeling a little sick. He needs a little rest. Yes, he needs a little rest. Mommy, you need to have a rest.
Okay. The doctor gave us like prescription for her, like a laxative that she has to take once a day for the next 3 months or 6 months until maging okay yung bowel niya. We started it yesterday, so kailangan lang namin i-mix sa kanyang mga drinks. Mike and I had a really good talk about it, and you know, we're making like plans that, you know, make sure that hindi na mangyayari ulit yun kasi it was not, you know, it was not good, guys. It was really, really scary. Celine is here now. She is
Sabi, where was the presents?
home.
Here.
Yan, lumabas kasi sila ni Daddy Mike. Guys,
Did you
bumili
have
sila
a banana?
Yeah.
Bumili sila ng nasa. Say
Where?
hi, Daddy. Come here,
Where?
Mama.
Hello.
Hello.
Let's open it.
Okay.
Yes, I was just
You
telling
give
them
me
the
one.
story, Dada.
Okay, Dad, you can choose.
Paris.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's open it now.
But yeah, as you can see, guys, she is very chirpy again. So it was very scary experience, Daddy, wasn't it?
Open it,
Very-
Mommy, open it.
Scary.
See what you did?
The scariest of my life.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Mommy, open. Yes.
Celine, open! Celine, open! And Daddy Mike was there inside the room though, guys, while they were doing
There's more.
the procedure to Paris. So, you know,
Mommy, look what you
sabi ko nga,
got.
I don't know if I could do it, like, you know, watching. So,
You couldn't do it.
Daddy, look
Yeah.
what Mommy got.
You could do it because you would have had to,
yeah.
but you would have.
What did you got?
You would
What did you got, Mommy?
You would have scared
Happy?
Paris.
Happy, Mommy?
Yeah, thank you, my love.
There's more.
Yeah. You go. See? Do. Show Tita your present. Say, I'm better now, Tita and Tito.
I'm better now, TNT too.
Say, I'm gonna eat healthy food
I'm gonna eat healthy food.
and water. Kaya meron ng ano nito. Kailangan na talagang mag-stricto kami ba sa kanya. Sa kanyang pagkain. Ito na lang English pa ni maintindihan ni ate. So ginagawa ni Daddy Mark ngayon yung juice tapos mix yung kanya.
Is that for me?
Open it.
Okay. Hold this, mommy.
I get it.
Kaya pa sila.
Daddy.
What's inside?
Crayons! Woohoo!
Good job.
I love crayons.
Okay.
What's for Celine? Oh, I love that.
Okay, let's see what Celine got.
It's cream.
He got. See what she got. What she got? Put it in the nose. Hey, look what Celine got. I'm gonna share it like this thing.
You have that one, I'll have this one. And then I'll go get some scissors. That's a deal.
That's a deal. That's a good deal.
Ready?
Daddy. Oh, careful, because it's in your shirt now. Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Drink it properly, then get it on your shirt. 1, 2, 3. Do you want me to share your one? Okay, I'll share yours. I just want to try this one first. Hold on. The apple. Try the apple. Tell me if you like the apple. Okay. Let's share yours. You go first, then me. Done.
Celine's looking up. She said like, oh, I wish I can have that.
Yeah, I'll go first.
See?
But I wish we had 2 straws I could race you.
Yeah, we'll get straws.
Okay, ready? Let's see who can drink the most then, and then I'll cut that open for you. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Look at that enough.
Let's see who can... Mum, you got to count who can do the most.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2,
Okay.
3, go.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 3 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5! Yay! Paris won.
Okay, so
then.
Paris on 5 and I'm on 3.
Okay.
Mine.
Hmm? 4, 5, 6, 7,
Mine.
8.
Whoever.
Oh, 8 only.
Mine. Whoever gets to 10. Whoever gets to 11 wins.
No, it's
Okay.
whoever can get to the bottom. We're gonna get to the bottom, me and you, and then whoever gets to the bottom, who's got the
2,
biggest number wins.
2.
So I'm on 8.
Yeah,
5.
Paris
Pardon?
is in 5.
I'm 8. Paris is 5. Keep
Okay.
going.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, she's so good. Oh no.
Okay, ready?
That's alright. We can wash it.
Paris 11.
Okay, Daddy's 8,
Paris 11. Okay, go.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18! Oh my god, what are you?
What's Paris? 11?
11. Oh no, do more,
I'm
honey.
gonna win.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh my god, 22. Yeah! Alright, that is only...
18.
Yeah.
18 and 22.
Okay. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Daddy too slow.
What am I?
24.
I'm still winning by 2.
Yeah, still winning by 2. Okay, Paris could finish it.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Oh my god, I think you got no chance, Daddy. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47.
Oh my god, Daddy, I think you got no chance, Daddy.
What am I? 24.
Yeah, Paris is 48. Very far from you. 25, 26,
I
27,
think Daddy's gonna win.
28, 29,
Look.
no, 30, 31. That's all that I'm gonna do. Finish it up. Finish it up. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53,
No.
54, 55. Whoa, Daddy!
Where's the champion trophy?
Trophies there, Daddy. Wow!
And the winner of the Prune Juice Championship is none other than Paris Mackenzie!
Yay! right, come here, have a look here and smile face.
Show Mummy the
Hold your
champion.
trophy. Yay! She's a winner.
Daddy.
Good job, Daddy.
Daddy's the
That is the.
loser.
That is a
Loser.
loser. That is a loser. You won. Good job, my love. Yesterday you won too, yeah?
Yeah.
You're good at it.
Too hard
You're
for
the
me.
best.
That is too slow.
Careful, careful.
That is so slow.
Yes, very slow. You have to wipe your face back. Wiping. It's funny.
yeah.
I don't want to say.
Happy?
Whoa.
Ba ba ba. Ba 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 banana. Ba 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 banana. You have to wipe your mouth there.
Stuck in sand.
I want sand.
Yeah, because look, see?
I want sand, Daddy.
Yeah, but it doesn't come out. It's stuck inside. I thought if I take the paper off, I could open it, but I can't. Don't look.
Close your eyes. Beep beep beep. Beep 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 beep. Silini.
Okay, winner. Open your eyes. And which hand would you like for your prize?
I can see your bum in there.
Huh? Open your hand. Open your hand.
Wow! Yay!
And one for the losers each. Mummy, which one would you like? A pineapple or a raspberry? Yeah.
Thank
And
you.
a pineapple for the loser. Paris gets 2 and we get 1.
Violet. I really purple jelly and orange. Why Sling didn't have some?
Because she's still a baby.
Ah, 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 ah.
Alright.